Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike offers an impressive blend of power, portability, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both urban commuters and weekend adventurers. With its robust 1000W motor, riders can achieve speeds of over 30 miles per hour, which makes quick trips across town or exhilarating rides on scenic trails feel effortless. The bike's performance is particularly notable when tackling inclines, where the added torque provides a smooth and satisfying ride. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery. This battery not only powers the bike for an extraordinary maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge but also allows for flexibility. The ability to remove the battery means you can charge it indoors or take it with you for added security, alleviating concerns about theft or exposure to the elements. In real-world testing, I found that the range holds true under various conditions, although riding style and terrain can affect overall distance. The folding design is another major advantage, making the bike incredibly convenient for storage and transport. It can easily fit in the trunk of a car or be stowed away in a small apartment, which is a game-changer for those with limited space. The lightweight frame, combined with the folding mechanism, allows for easy handling and maneuverability. Comfort is also a key consideration with this electric bike. It comes equipped with a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, ensuring a comfortable riding position even during longer rides. The bike's suspension system provides a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces, adding to the overall enjoyment. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable option for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and portable e-bike. Its combination of speed, range, and convenience makes it a standout choice in the burgeoning market of electric bicycles, appealing to both casual riders and serious enthusiasts alike.